Good morning, student. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Yes. Did you finish your homework, all of you? Did you finish your homework? And did you finish your assignment? Did you finish your assignment? Okay. Today we are going to discuss about the same chapter only. We already discussed few topics. Do you remember these topics' names? Okay, just 1 minute. Just go through it. What are the topic we already taught? Okay, I will give 1 minute. You have to go through it. Okay. Just I will give 1 minute. Go through fast. Are you seeing the book? Okay, just go through. I will give 1 more minute. I will give 2 minutes. You just go through. What are the topic we already taught? Don't forget, read the book properly. Okay, if you read the book means you should get full mark from the one word. You shouldn't get the full 1 mark. Okay. Okay. Okay, now we are going to discuss about swimming. You know, very familiar word. Yes? You know, very familiar word. Is that no? Some of your work in InDesign will require that you view an object or even just part of an object at very high magnifications or zoom. It is nothing. It is not okay. You know very well about zooming. Yes. Okay. You know meaning. If you want to see ரொம்ப clear picture பார்க்கணும்னா நம்ம ரொம்ப zoom பண்ணி பார்ப்போம். That is, zooming allows you to quickly zoom in on or get closer to any object in or area of your document. You can also zoom out or get further away from your document when you need to see everything at once. You can magnify or reduce the view of the document from 5% to 4000%. You can magnify or reduce the this percentage. Okay, 5% to 4000 and 4000%. You should mark. That is one mark question. Okay, you have several options for changing view. You have several options for changing view. Magnification. You can zoom in and out using the zoom. You have to use zoom tool. The zoom commands in the view menu. அது எங்க இருக்குனா view menu ல இருக்கும். Okay, zoom in, zoom out, fit page, fit spread in window, actual size, enter, pasteboard. You know very well about pasteboard. இந்த page maker ல அந்த பாக்ஸுக்கு அவுட் சைடில் இருக்கிறது என்ன சொல்லுவோம், பேஸ்போர்ட்னு சொல்லுவோம். நமக்கு எந்த டாக்குமெண்ட்ஸ் எது தேவையில்லையோ அதை எதில் கொண்டு வைப்போம், இந்த பேஸ்போர்டில் கொண்டு வைப்போம். இட்ஸ் ஆர் நோ? ஓகே, ஜஸ்ட் ரைட். Okay, the next one is using the zoom tool. Okay, the next one is using the zoom tool. Zoom tool நமக்கு தெரியும், we know about it. The zoom tool is frequently used for enlarging or reducing the view of the document during the editing process. Okay, நம்ம zoom பண்ணி என்ன editing process பண்ணும்போது zoom பண்ணி என்ன பண்ணுவோம், we have to select the zoom tool and reduce பண்ணனும்னா we can reduce or enlarge பண்ணனும்னா நமக்கு அது reduce கொஞ்சம் குறைச்சுக்கணும், நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம், reduce கம்மி பண்ணிக்கலாம். அது நமக்கு கொஞ்சம் பிக்கா தேவைனா பெருசா தேவைனா என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம், enlarge பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகே, இதை யூஸ் பண்ணி correct, to magnify the view of the document. To magnify the view of the document, select the zoom tool from the tool panel. எங்க இருந்து எடுக்கிறோம், from the tool panel, and position it over the area you want to zoom. Okay, நமக்கு வேணும்னா நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம், we want zoom it. Now you can see a plus sign at the center of the zoom tool. A single mouse click changes the view to the next preset magnification. Suppose you were to click again. Suppose you were to click again. Suppose you were to click again. Then the view of the area. Then the view of the area that you clicked upon will magnified again, and the page would be centered at the point where you clicked. Centered at the point where you clicked. See here, you have to select view menu, and whatever you have to need you should do. In addition to this, you can drag and mark with the zoom. On the area you want to magnify, the percentage of magnified area depends on the size. நம்ம இது ஓப்பன் பண்ணாலே நமக்கு என்ன வரும்? normally that box வரும். அதில் நமக்கு என்ன தேவை? if you need zoom you can do. Choose the view, zoom in for magnifying the next preset percentage. The percentage 4 to sorry, did you mark that? 5 to 4000. Did you mark? View actual size. Actual size எவ்வளவுதான் display ஆகும்? 100% only. Okay. And fit page for gaining the view size match monitor size. அது எவ்வளவுதான் நமக்கு இதாகும்? நமக்கு monitor size தான். அது display ஆகிறது 100%. Spread window for displaying the target spread in Windows. Choose view, enter pageboard for displaying the current page or spread its surrounding pasted board that are visible within the document. Using the zoom level pop-up menu, choose a zoom percentage from the zoom level pop-up menu. You can also type a percentage in the zoom level box. You can also type a percentage in the zoom level box. Using the keyboard use menu, you have to study like control plus equal to zoom in, control plus minus out. Okay, you have to study this. Okay, I will give 3 minutes. You should just read and write. Okay, just read and write. Just read and write. Okay. The next one is navigating pages. The next one is navigating pages. Take page number 58. Take page number 58. When we create a layout for a book, which mostly we are used for, PageMaker is used for creating a page layout or publishing the book. Yes, here navigating pages na. What is InDesign? Publishing book software. What is InDesign? What InDesign ங்கிறது என்னது? அது வந்து ஒரு book publishing software. Yes, InDesign means book publishing software. Okay, when we create a layout for a book or magazines, when we create a layout for a book, magazines, we create a document that has multiple pages. We create a document that has multiple pages. That has multiple pages mean we have to select many pages. If you need you have to select 1 page or 2 page or 3 page. You have to select many pages. Okay, spreads or 2 pages that faces each other. Spreads or 2 pages that face each other. A left page and right page in a multiple page document. Multiple page documents we have to multiple page document is there. We have to take right page or left page. For navigating to pages or spread in our document, for navigating to pages or spread in our document, we have a variety of methods. The first one is we have a variety of methods. First method is you should select the go to page command. The first method is the go to page command in the layout menu. The go to page command in the layout menu gives as the option to go to the page to which we want to go. First you have to go to page command. Nama page command la pay you have to enadha edukono page layout. Go to layout la pay you have to select go to page or otherwise control G. Select panna namakku idu appear agum. Did you understand what I am saying? Okay, are you seeing the book? Are you seeing the book properly? Okay, just you should see. Are you seeing the book? Okay, I will give one more minute. The next one is the use of scroll bars. On the bottom. Next one enna the use of scroll bar on the bottom and right side. நமக்கு தெரியும் scroll bar எங்க இருக்கணும், எந்த சைடுல இருக்கணும், right sideல bottomsல தான் என்ன இருக்கும்னா scroll bar இருக்கும். Do you know that? The use of scroll bar on the bottom and right side of the document window, or choosing a page, whatever page you have to need, you have to take that page. If you need more page means you have to select on the bottom layer page number, you have to select the page. You need multiple pages mean you have to take multiple page. You need to go up means you have to select scroll bar. The use of scroll bar on the bottom and right side of the document window, or choosing a page from page menu in the lower left corner, in the lower left corner of the document, in the lower left corner of the document window can be done. Okay, see this. Okay, there are also first spread, previous spread, next spread and last spread button. You have many buttons in the InDesign. நம்ம ஓபன் பண்ணக்குள்ள நமக்கு என்னலாம் இருக்கும்? There are first spread, previous, next and last. At the bottom of the document window, which can click to navigate to design spreads. There are also first spread, previous spread, next spread and last spread button. There are also first, previous, next and last. At the bottom of the document, very familiar words, spreads and what is that? Scroll, page number. What are the page you have used? You have to select first page, second page. You can use. Okay. Right. I will give the time. Right, all of you. The next one is opening and closing the tools panels. உனக்கு நல்லாவே தெரியும் எப்படி ஓபன் பண்ணனும் எப்படி க்ளோஸ் பண்ணனும்னு உங்களுக்கு நல்லாவே தெரியும். Opening and closing the tool panels. Opening and closing the tools panel. Do you that? Do you remember that? Opening and closing the tools panel. Okay, first you have to choose to open or close the tool panel. First என்ன பண்ணனும்? First you have to open ஏதாவது ஒரு tools நம்ம என்ன பண்ணனும்? ஓபன் பண்ணிக்கணும். எதில போய் ஓபன் பண்ணுவோம்? விண்டோஸ்ல you have to select tools னா எல்லா டூல்ஸும் அவேலபிள் ஆகும். Isn't it? அப்படிதானே? எல்லா டூல்ஸும் அவேலபிள் ஆகுமா? உங்ககிட்ட லேப் இருந்தா வர்க் பண்ணி பாருங்க. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் என்ன பண்ணனும்? First you have to take choose window windowல எது செலக்ட் பண்ணனும்? tools to close the tools panel. tool செலக்ட் பண்ணா அது க்ளோஸ் பண்ணனும்னா க்ளோஸ், ஓபன் பண்ணனும்னா ஓபன். okay, to reopen the tools panel choose window tools again. okay, close க்கு என்ன பண்ணனும்? க்ளோஸ் கொடுக்கணும். remaining tools panel வேணும்னா என்ன பண்ணனும்? tool panel. okay, the next one என்ன பண்ணனும்? tab key. you have to press tab key. you have to press tab key with any tool but the type tool selected to close all open panel including the tools panel. இப்போ நான் உங்களுக்கு சொல்றது வளவலன்னு இருக்கும், வளவலன்னு இருக்க மாதிரி இருக்கும். நீங்க என்ன பண்ணனும்னா வர்க் பண்ணி பிராக்டிகலா பண்ணி பார்த்து இது பண்ணும்போது உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப ஈஸியாவே இருக்கும். ஓகே, we can also closing floating tools panel by clicking its close box. First I will give 1 minute. you have to write. okay, 2 நிமிஷம் தான, அந்த 2 நிமிஷத்துக்குள்ள நீங்க ரைட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அதுக்கு அப்புறம் என்ன பண்ணனும் நான் சொல்றேன். ஓகே, ரைட். Okay, your homework is take page number 84. Your homework is what is a workspace in Adobe InDesign? What is a workspace in Adobe InDesign? Third question. And fourth question. What is an essential in InDesign document window? Fourth question 2 mark. Okay. Third and fourth 3 mark. Okay. Third question and fourth question for 2 mark, and fifth one detail. Write short note on application for document tab tools panel. Okay, write a short note on application for application bar, document tab and tools panel. Okay, this is your homework. Okay, write neatly. Okay guys.